Here we have the adjustable fabric guide. This fits the cover stitch, Euphoria, Ovation and Gloria. It has a slider here that you can move along depending on the width of your hem. So to get this set up, you have a little card guide there. This circle here, line this up with your furthest left needle that you're using and put your left needle into the center of the hole. Attach your guide using the black screws that come with it. Your bigger screws work as well, but these come with the guide. Line the C and the 0 up with this line here so that you can see it's in line with your left needle. Tighten the screws. And then you can remove the card. It's now set up. So I've got an inch hem there that I'm going to use. So I'm going to set my slider up for an inch hem. So I've got the inch marking there. You can see it has centimeters and inches. So this line here, this just sits on the inch mark. Push that down to secure it in place, and then with the fabric underneath the needles you can sew, and then the fold of your fabric just goes along that guide. You can see there,